review for my friend's slime. And she didn't even know what I'm slime. So I'm gonna open it right here. Here's what it is. I can't see anything. I'm sorry. So I have this. I don't know why she gave me food coloring, but okay, thank you. Thank you for this. I really needed this, but it's kind of used. But I'm fine with that. There's 3 slimes in here. I'm so tired. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out the bigger slime. Okay, let's. Okay, I got the paper. This is a review, so she doesn't have a slime shop, but she wanted me to review her slime. Okay, there is some hair in it, and I'm disappointed because why does it even have hair in it in the first place? And why is it sticky? But that's totally fine because she lives in Georgia now. She moved, and she sent me this like 1 month ago, and this has been sitting here in my room for 1 week, so I don't care if it melts, but she should have given some activator just in case. So we're gonna add some of this and hope it's not water. Wait, why is this water? Probably because it was dried food coloring, but I have dried food coloring. I just had water, so I'm fine with it. I still have own food coloring too. It's not. And if anything is bad, it's totally not her fault. It's mine that it's been sitting in my room for 1 week. But it's really cold in the United States, but my room is really hot, so this is a nice slime. I'm going to rate this slime a 5 out of 10. Not an 8 out of 10. Because it's nice pokey, but sticky. It's really like soft, but it's weird. Yeah. Actually, I found 4 slimes. Okay. The next one is this slime. See? What? Wait, what? What is this? I'm disappointed. Guys, you guys need to see this. What? What? What the heck is this? What? This is a soft, but this is hard. I'm disappointed. So let's get some sticky slime. Like, legit sticky slime. Here it is. It's really sticky, and the reason why I have sticky slime is because I have hard slimes that need to be sticky. And I will let this blue at the end if it turns into a weird color. Ugh. Okay, I'm disappointed, especially with this slime, because it looked really nice, because I thought he said he was going to give me 1 call sign, and he said it would be in a Play-Doh container, and this was the only call sign. He said he didn't touch them, so I'm pretty upset, because it's supposed to be sticky. I don't care if it's like sticky, but like if it's hard, then there's a problem with this. So we're gonna mix it until it goes in. If it doesn't, then it should, because it's just a piece of hard rock. I don't expect her slimes to be this hard. But we're just gonna put this back in the container because we need to go on to the other good slime. But this color is a really nice color. That's what I like. At the end of the video, I will fix this slime. It's kind of a weird texture too. Let's go to the next slime. My hands are sticky, so please don't judge. And these ones aren't getting rubber. They aren't getting tape, so I'm actually scared. Okay. So this is one out of 2 slimes. This is a nice slime. Oh my god. This is really, really nice. This is a really nice slime. Just, I don't really like how there's beads and like rubber bands in here. So I don't really like, I really enjoy this one. And I rate this slime a 0 out of 10, so don't judge me. I'm kind of mad at her. The next slime is this shimmery slime. And she says she did not make this with, like, she made this with pigment, but I don't see like the good shimmer the pigment actually gives you. So I'm gonna say she actually is lipstick because I think I have a shade of this. But I could be wrong, so I'm sorry I'm actually getting slime in there. I'm fine with that, but you guys, if you're not, then skip forward a little bit. This one is pretty nice, just to really butter. I feel like it's a butter slime, and she said there would be like fluffy slimes, or like a lot of them. And I haven't got one fluffy slime yet. So I'm actually kind of upset with this slime. It's a really nice slime. The only bummer is it's hard and stuff. So I'm out of water, like.
个人就是这样子，他如果是外售房子，一定要 key 住的情况才可以。你如果告破产的都可以，但是你可以 key 住。可以 key 住的情况，你要怎么着，你懂吗？
Annie，
你不能卖。
Annie，
你万一哪天卖掉了政府的钱就。
Give me some water.
你知道吗？你不卖可以，你要卖了就要。
Please.
说明你有钱。
Why are you saying that? I can't breathe. It actually looks pretty. I don't have a lot of water anymore. Let's knead the water in and then actually just review this one like I didn't add anything. I don't blame her for this because she said the fluffy slimes might harden because like shaving cream suddenly makes your slime harder. And she kind of overactivated it because she didn't want to melt in shipping. I appreciate that. Oh, it's a really nice slime. It's satisfying. So, we're gonna go to the next slime. I'm actually gonna poke in the container for you guys to see. It should have been in here, but I will put that in here. Oh my god. Sweet. I like this one a lot, so the last one in here, which she actually taped, this. Ugh. Why does she tape it like this? Wow. I will be back when I won't be back because I got it out. Let's open it. Oh my god. This slime feels cold. And like, wait a sec. No, it's a rose gold. Oh god, I'm actually kind of excited for this slime, but I don't really enjoy it because there's like specks in here. Oh, okay. I think she used lipstick for this.
我不懂了，你在可乐那间，我还以为你来我这边在，我不会开车啦。喂，小芝芝。对呀。哎呦，我不会开车啊。
This is so pretty.
OK。好的好的，妈妈呢
I'm addicted.
OK。
I'm addicted already.
好的好的，谢谢，不好意
This?
思啊。
How? How? Like how?
和那开玩笑。
Oh my god. I'm out. She's gonna put me out of business. Look at this color. Bro.
宝贝啊，妈妈出去一下，宝贝啊。你把妹妹看好了哈。
那姐姐呢？
姐姐跟妈妈一起去，你一下子就回来了。
去哪里？
跟你讲有事了。
去哪里？
小孩子要问那么多干嘛？
去哪里？
关你屁事啊！
去哪里？
跳楼。
去哪里？不然你们不能走。你什么时候回来？我给你5分钟。
你给我5分钟，我就去了5个小时。就今天好像穿这个都觉得太热。
It's so good.
你觉得不热就拿那个来穿。
这个怎么衣服上也被粘成这样子了？
Oh,
陈琳娜，
你不要什么东西都是讲我，都没动你的东西，
就只有你用这种东西，
我都没动你的东西。
粘的，是不是他的？
I never touch your clothes.
就只有你玩这个东西 ，OK？
Okay, so stop being dumb. How about you use your brain and clean it? It's nice, but like it actually gets my hands like a little glittery, and I actually will like I'm gonna add a little bit more color to it. It's nice. So we're actually gonna go wait, stay, steady. Okay. I'm going to personally, I can stay right here. Where is it? So let's put the slime away. And to be honest, guys, I did not. These are not my slimes. These are literally my friend's slimes. And, like, I did not ask for it. She just suddenly came to school one day, be like, here, you can have this. And I'm like, what for? And then she was like, oh, I was asking, would you like to review it on your YouTube? And I'm like, okay, this would be an honor too, but I asked, are you sure you want me to? Because if then, it would be more like, you're sure you want me to review it? And she's like, I'm positive. Stop asking me questions now. And I'm like, okay, geez. I'm just asking, are you really positive that you want me to review your slimes? And she's like, oh my god, can you just do what I say? I'm like, okay, geez. You guys are gonna admire this slime. Well, I'm gonna be right back.
Hot glue the cardboard to the frame. Cut the hook part of Velcro into small squares. And hot glue a bottom to the back of each square. Attach the Velcro to the felt. Write numerals on each button using black acrylic paint from 1 to 31. Write days of the week on the top of the felt and attach a Velcro piece with the name of the month. Make some more buttons with hearts to mark important dates. You definitely won't mix up the days with a calendar like this. It doesn't have expiry dates. Just change the Velcro name each month. The blue-eyed girl has no appetite. Maybe because she's fallen in love, or maybe she doesn't like the look of her boring meal on the plate. But Belle knows how to help her friend. The meal should not only be nourishing, but attractive. This is why she's made a sausage bear for her friend. Spread out mashed potatoes to cover half of the plate. It's a lawn. Take 2 pieces of bologna and cut
Okay, I am back, guys.
using a cup.
And we're actually gonna make it really satisfying.
Arrange
Let's go.
circles as a body and a head, and the smaller ones as ears. It's a bear. Cut the remaining sausage rings into 4 pieces. And shape them like the bear's legs with claws.
It's gonna make it much more satisfying.
Cut a circle out of cheese and make a muzzle. Put half of a yolk to make a nose. And finish the ears with cheese. Draw eyes with black food coloring. Add muzzle details.
I have this powder. It's like a brush. I'm gonna put the slime on it
With hearts cut out of cheese.
and just knead it.
Make green grass out of dill springs and plant
I ran out of ideas to do, so why not just create more ideas?
Your lunch will be funny and attractive. Did you like our ideas? Then write in your comments how you are going to have fun on a boring day. Will you make a mini camera, put on a crown, or give your friend an infinite calendar? Don't forget to give your thumbs up.
It actually makes it a nicer texture. Get all the powder and stuff.
If we change it a bit, he that prank catches, prank catches. But it won't make our heroine refuse her treacherous plan. Though sometimes it's so easy to get caught in your own trap. I have a little present for my friend. This lollipop.
Admire this slime. It's so soft. And you don't want to know how soft it is because, like, it's such a nice texture that I have no words. That's why I don't have words.
And wrap the fake lollipop into the wrapper.
And here I got some of my pigment,
Treat my friend with
my own.
But when we meet, the only thing left from my lollipop is a stick. The lollipop melted and left a wet stain and a failed prank. And I feel exactly like Piglet when he gave a popped balloon to Eeyore. gelatin to make thick jelly. Put it into a microwave. Add ketchup and stir well.
This is my pigment and try to keep it clean.
Molds and put them into the fridge. Take the cool jelly out of the molds. Mix them with regular gummies. Who can tell
Not only that, we're gonna add some lipstick, like a dab. Some of these theirs were recommended by my sister. Not by my sister, but like by some people I know. We're like my friend that sent me this package. And I'm like, okay, so we're gonna mix in the powder now.
disturbingly kind today. She's made us some tea, but a phone call distracts her all of a sudden. It's her friend Mickey calling to ask her a stupid favor, as usual. Redhead doesn't notice anything while talking to him, but I do. The tea has a weird smell. Now I see why she's so kind. Brew 2 cups of strong tea. Add soy sauce to one of them and stir. While Redhead is talking on her phone, I swap the cups. She finishes her phone call and takes a sip. Oops, the tea seems to be not as sweet as she expected. I've caught her. Redhead needs to get rid of that disgusting taste somehow. She goes to a bathroom to brush her teeth. My toothbrush is there, but where is the toothpaste? My absent-minded friend has taken it away again. Heat up Nutella in a microwave. Cut off the top of an empty toothpaste.
It's kind of hard now.
Clean it
We're actually gonna add something.
and fill it with Nutella. Cover the cup with parchment paper and iron it. The tube seals this way. I squeeze some chocolate paste on the bread. It's delicious.
Add some like hair gel.
In the kitchen.
My hair gel. I'm gonna show you what like this hair gel is. It's sticky, so it's not like slime. So and it softens slime really quickly. So that would be a lot, but like this is like a better slime you need to fix. Wait, that's like so ugly.
Dental cavities. Quite the contrary, and it will definitely cause a prank in response.
The noise, like the noise sounds so bad.
Empty palette with flour. My friend opens up the palette and all the flour immediately jumps out onto her clothes. I'm guessing this is a special whitening eyeshadow, but now it only helps make me wash my pullover as soon as possible.
It's literally slime.
Friend's hard share.
Like, oh my god. It's kind of sticky, but I'm fine with that because this slime I expected to be sticky after adding that all that's like hair gel, my hair gel, because I have competition this tomorrow.
And in a rage. All of a sudden, I'm sitting down on my prank mat myself. My friend has got a dirty pullover, and I have tarnished my image. We should quit now. I see traces of my own prank on the couch. It's been so funny to play a flower trick on my
Ew, Annie. This is the best slime packet or best slime package review I've ever done.
happens to be enough flour left for me. Bad luck. Eating a lot of fats is not healthy, so I will take care of my friend and make a sandwich with cholesterol-free butter. Add a few spoons of gelatin to milk. Mix it and
This slime is super sticky, but I don't blame her. I actually did add a lot of what was that? And I really am sad that I destroyed my favorite slime out of this whole package. But there is definitely a way to fix this without activator. Play with it and just like, cause when you play with it, the slime should get harder, and that's what happened before. That's okay if the slime is sticky, and I'm fine with having sticky slime because I don't mind it. Like but the people that really hate sticky slime, like that's not me. I love it, but maybe some people hate it, and you just have to need it. That's it. And all I gotta do is knead it, and I can't click the camera to actually show you me kneading it, but I actually, okay, wait, let's oh my god, it's getting stuck on my freaking camera, and I'm sorry of this, oh my god, like it's getting everywhere, it's getting on my camera, it's getting on my charger, or my camera, I'm actually charging my camera, oh no, and it's getting on my, like legitly, that just melted. But you just keep rolling it, and then it should harden it.
It's time for nails. I offer a special nail polish to my friend. Open a nail polish and apply some super glue to the neck of the bottle. Close the nail polish. My friend
Alright, so it's getting to stop sticking, so I'm gonna turn you guys back. I know you guys are looking into my shopping bag that I bought this actual slime in, but I can't fix this, guys. I have slime all over, everywhere on me. I really need a new iPad case.
saves nail polish too. Pour nail polish remover into another container and pour hydrogen peroxide into it instead. The girls had just done their nails, and Redhead starts telling a fascinating story. It's so captivating that Redhead grasps her hair, forgetting about her nails, and spoils her manicure. What a failure. She wants to wipe it off with a nail polish remover, but recalls that it doesn't work. Her friend can't figure out what's wrong. The remover looks as usual. Maybe Redhead is plotting something again. A tea light candle may be so romantic as long as it's burning. Take out wax from a tea light candle. Take out the wick. Put it back into a metallic vase and fill it with hot glue. Redhead needs a candle, but she totally forgets that it is a prank candle and it doesn't work. She's got hot dogs for lunch, except that Redhead is up to something again. She's going to swap ketchup for something else. Pour fruit yogurt into a bowl. Add food coloring to make it of the ketchup color. Pour the sweet mass into a clean ketchup package. But her friend has already had enough of bitter experiences. She's on her guard and doesn't allow Redhead to carry out her ketchup swapping plan. The hot dogs are saved. What do we have for dinner? The prank mashed potato? Make a small cut on an instant mashed potato package. Roll up a paper cone and use it for putting in some powdered sugar. Cover the cut with a double-sided tape. Put the powder onto plates. Except that I prepared this prank so perfectly and the closed package so impeccably that I swallow my own sugar bait. Well, sometimes it happens to everyone. Even the prank masters have bad days occasionally. Did you like our pranks? Write in your comment if you ever happen to be pranked with your own pranks. Hit the like
Hope you guys like this video. My favorite slime has to be this slime, but my second one has to be this one. If it isn't, then I would not have, she never gave me this one, I would never have a favorite slime. It's butter slime and I love butter slime. And I'm excited. But right now this instance, we are going to be mixing this, two favorite slimes I just said. Because one is super sticky and I want it not sticky. One is super hard and I don't want that hard. Let's do that. Oh my god. Two different slimes. Two wrongs make a right. For this type of slime. it for this video, guys. Thank you for the people that watched all the way to the end, because this is legit a 31-minute video. And I'm excited how I got 100 views on one of my videos. So bye, guys.